as hard as I have worked and tried to make sure this is together, what do I get? Not a thank you, baby. Not a complaint.
I have said thank you.
All I got is
so
you don't put the jelly in the right place. So then you say, look at this whole thing and say, you know what? Why should I do anything? It shouldn't even really matter because it's gonna be wrong anyway. So some of you men get a pass.
You finished?
Okay. Hey everybody. I'm using some of the best body wash so I can smell good for you guys today. I have an assignment. My assignment is I'm gonna clean out the refrigerator. Now, if your refrigerator is like ours, you have stuff in there. It's no longer food, it's stuff. Let me show you what stuff look like. Are these sausages or hot dogs? It's just stuff. Peaches in a container.
Did you say peaches?
I mean, is this blue cheese dressing or is this tartar sauce? Stuff. Do you have stuff? So what we're going to do is we're going to remove all the stuff and we're going to put in food. So, clean with me.
We put the clean shells and stuff too.
I mean, a pie crust.
Check your date on that, baby.
For the love of Moses. I mean, see what I mean? This stuff right here, what is this? And it's a lot of them. They're like a family. So look at them. What in the world?
That's my better than bouillon. That's my stuff for cooking with.
See, stuff. You said that's your stuff.
Okay.
This is, see, look at this. What in the world? I mean, Chick-fil-A sauce. Jesus. I mean, man, really?
I appreciate you doing it.
You're more than welcome, man. I mean, what in the world?
I told him some of that stuff you be taking to work, bring it back.
What is this? Real band peppers, why they white? What in the world?
That goes in the trash. Why you put, look, how about I put the trash right here? That way you don't have to touch it twice a day.
Okay, well, yeah.
Go on and put it in the trash. If you know it needs to be thrown away, you don't have to touch it twice, honey.
It's just like, I mean, it's really some stuff. That's milk. You can't keep that out too long. That's like a little milk. That's whipping cream, whatever that is. Huh. It's almost, I mean, look, guys. Really? I mean, you know what?
That don't make no sense.
Man, look, America. They ain't gonna say much because I can promise you stuff in nails too. And I'm showing you how to get. How you put hot sauce in the refrigerator? Who put hot sauce in refrigerators?
Because it says, shake well, refrigerate after opening for best quality.
I ain't never in my life known nobody. Who wants some cold hot sauce? That's crazy, cold hot sauce.
Hey, you not even using the trash can I put right here.
I will, man. I just need to get all the stuff out the refrigerator.
While you going through the stuff, I can wipe out the refrigerator?
Yes, you can. I mean, would you look at this? We got a Ferris wheel. A Ferris wheel. Y'all see the Ferris wheel? Well, she can just look and see what other stuff she have here. So.
Let's call her Lazy Susan.
Okay, a lazy Susan. Susie was lazy a long time, and that's why the refrigerator looked like. How? I mean, really? This rotisserie chicken is roasted. It's gone. We rolling, people. We rolling. Look at that there. All right. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna just take the whole drawer out. I'm gonna just remove the whole drawer. I'm gonna set this down right here. We're going in, people. We're going in.
Baby, please be careful.
I got you. There we go.
No, you that stuff. You don't have to bring it over here because I'm gonna have to wipe the drawers out.
Okay. Let me set it right up here.
But you gonna have to get the stuff out there.
I will get it, man. I will. I promise you. I'll give you my word as a cleaner. I'm gonna get it out for you. I'm gonna get all of it. This way. Okay, I got you. Okay. All right. So now everything is out, clean. It's completely out of here. What we're gonna?
You got the door.
I'm gonna get the door. Don't worry about that. But look at this. You gotta be careful now, guys. No, a quick tip. No, it's okay. Listen, a quick tip, guys. You're taking this out of the refrigerator. It's cold. If you put hot water on this immediately, well, we know what happens with that. Cold to hot water gonna lead to crack. So, you wanna keep it at water to room temperature, or you wanna wait a while before you clean this.
You're doing so good.
Thank you, babe. I'm working so hard. All right. Oh, wow, would you look at that? Some stuff I've been looking for. I did not know our thing had a hidden compartment back here. Let's see, what is this back here? What do we have? Oh, no, that's ain't. No, I'm going to leave that alone. Oh, that's the ice maker. And
Look, you was going to take it out.
I sure was.
I'm glad you did. You're talking about this a hidden compartment.
There we go. All right, now she do her part, and then I'm gonna do my part again. Guys, we're doing an awesome job here together. So clean with me. What's your little thing you say, babe? Now come and clean with me.
Said what?
What you say? You said something like that. Clean with me or something. What do people do with you? You need the people to help me.
What do people do?
They do something with you. I don't know what they do. Y'all all get together. Y'all in the kitchen. I don't know what y'all be doing.
Talking about.
You got all of this doggone hot sauce, and don't nobody in the house eat hot sauce for him.
Baby, sometimes I use hot sauce to season stuff with too. It's not just you eating on food.
I never eaten never hot sauce in it.
Yes, you do.
I don't need hot sauce. I'm allergic. I break out.
Stop telling stories.
Okay, I won't break out, but if I know I will. If I know it's in there, I'll break out.
No, you won't.
Well, from now on, tell me so I know if I start breaking out what it is for. Alrighty. Alright. You can put that back in. At the bottom. Alright. This is awesome. It got a top to it.
Huh?
It got a top to it. Well, I'm going to set it over here. Let me put all my cleaning items over here out the way. And I guess I'll go ahead and clean everything. It was cool. That's the big one. That's a real big one. It's the big old. Hey. All right. And let's start from the bottom. And put all your things back at the bottom. So the tray, the very bottom tray. You gonna take all this stuff out of your bottom tray, babe?
Hmm.
You gonna take everything out of this bottom tray?
Just so you can, where I have my stuff at.
together. Hey, everybody. Look. Look what a man can do. Everything is clean and neat. It looks empty. You know, the problem they run into with this is people will look at this and say, you know, they don't have no food. Oh, let me put my cream cheese. Is your cream, what if you, well, whatever. So, there you go, guys. You finished.
You're not finished.
Oh.
You got to load stuff up back up in there.
Let me put everything back in.
Tell me you finished.
Well, I'm going to shut this until you're ready to load everything up.
No. You get ready to load everything up?
Well, I'm going to shut this till I get ready to load everything up because
Well, I thought that's what
you're going to let all your cold air out. It don't have none right now, but...
I thought that's what you do.
This right here is universal for every grandmother. Put some Arm & Hammer baking soda
Why
in.
it's got to be for every grandma?
Because grandmas used to do this. You put it in there and
It
that
absorbs odors.
yeah, that catch your odors. That catch the odor and stuff.
When you got all that stuff in there and it's
That's right. So guys, you gotta prepare yourself to remove your stuff.
babe, you have to look at stuff and make sure it's not expired. You can't just put everything back in there.
All of it is you know, that is some
Yeah.
expired stuff.
What's expired?
The stuff that's expired.
Oh, you have to make sure you check the dates.
Okay.
See if it's, I combined some stuff.
I don't know the order you want to put that in, so I'm gonna let you do that.
Well, no, I'm gonna let you do it. If I want to move it, then I will.
But why move it twice when you know anywhere I put it, you gonna move it anyway?
That's necessary, baby, because I'm still trying to cook.
I promise you gonna move it.
I thought
Okay.
you were
Let me
I'm trying
get
to
your.
cook.
Let me. That's a.
You know, like
Oh.
you know, my stuff goes in the bottom drawer. I don't want that cabbage in there. That don't need to go in my drawer.
Well, what do you do with it?
I don't know. I mean, you do it in the refrigerator.
You don't want me to put my stuff the way I want to put it, but yet you want.
I mean, because I have a lot of stuff that goes in my bottom drawer.
Okay, but this ain't gonna go in the bottom drawer. This gonna go in the. This gonna go in.
Oh, no, my stuff goes in the very bottom drawer.
That's your stuff right there.
Yes. That's my granola. And then all of my premier protein shakes.
You know, you got a lot of stuff. See, I don't have no stuff in here.
Yes, you do. You have all of 999,000 little containers.
Well, I took all mine out. I'm no longer gonna use mine in there anymore.
Let me see what
My stuff has been evicted.
Should I put this here?
There you go, right there. There you go. What's that? The turning with the wheel or what? What you call it?
Lazy Susan.
A lazy Susan.
Lazy Susan for the refrigerator. Y'all get him.
A lazy Susan. What's a lazy Susan?
Susan. That's Susie.
I wish a lazy tail come and help me do this doggone. The whips.
I don't know how I got the name Lazy Susan. Baby, make sure everything in there neat and pretty.
Yeah, it's gonna be real. It's gonna be real neat and pretty.
Wow.
I didn't. I dropped my tomatoes dropped.
Oh, I thought you were trying to be funny. Just threw it in there.
No, my tomatoes dropped. Well, it look like some more salad we finna lose shortly.
You can eat it today with spaghetti.
We're going in on this one, people. I'm going in on making sure this one is neat. What else I got? What else I gotta put in mine? I think that's good. Oh Lord, for the love of Moses. That's a lot of, that's more stuff than it's supposed to be.
Baby, have some order about your stuff too. You know, make it make sense.
Put some order? What you mean?
Make it make sense. Like when I organize stuff, I have.
See, I told you gonna end up organizing what I organized. So you should have went on and organized it first.
I want you to go ahead. You doing so good. I'm so proud of you.
Okay.
Put the milk.
I just think, honestly, that you should.
Just a little milk, so you put the one back there. You're doing so good. And make sure you need everything that you put in that bag.
I am. This is stuff that I know.
You need.
Stuff I know I'm gonna use.
Looks so good.
I put all your letters and stuff together. There you
I'm
go.
so proud of you. Hey, why you put these back here? That's near your lunch.
What is it?
Your little containers. Yeah.
Oh, wow. No, because I'm going to eat that. I'm sorry, I got to... Okay, so you know you're going to use all of this. I mean, about like 9 jars of mayonnaise. Really?
But one is light mayonnaise and one is the regular. You want to put this on the very bottom since this is my mayo?
Yeah, that's your mayo.
I mean my dressing.
Okay, go ahead and put your dressing on. Okay. I think you got a better dressing.
And then my bottled water, I guess, and see what makes sense to me. It's like that bottom shelf is close to my... You guys, I have a drawer in the refrigerator that has like my stuff in it.
Yeah, you're not allowed to touch her stuff.
So when I say make it make sense, if I put my dressing that I make for me on the bottom shelf, it's close to that bottom drawer that's in here. So it's like it keeps my stuff near each other. Babe, did you look at?
That's real tall stuff.
It's real tall stuff, babe. Are you looking at expiration, babe?
Yeah, I thought, yeah.
Okay.
Where's all the hot sauce at? That don't nobody eat.
I put the hot sauce on the Lazy Susan.
Well, here's another one.
Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord, I thought I was doing good. Let me look at these dates, because if we can combine all of these.
Okay.
Let's see what the dates
are. See, this is important. These are like, I'm going to put this up. That's where butter used to go, people. Let me have that one thing, the butter to go went up here.
Okay, so why we have to put it right back?
Where the butter, there's no butter.
We don't need all of these. We don't need all of these.
These are, you need them more than you think you do.
Is there something that you can put them in to contain them, so because they're going to end up falling and being all over the place?
No, I'm not going to. I'll find it. Okay. The pie crust. I think that ought to be.
Check that expiration date, man.
On the pie crust? Pie crust can go bad.
Yes, baby.
Wow, how in the world? It ain't nothing but just dough. Don't go bad. Oh, it says June 14th, 2020. That's bad dough. That you know what that tells me? You didn't fix a pie when you supposed to have.
Well, you don't just use it for pie.
What else you use it for?
Your chicken pot pie.
See, you didn't fix a pie when you supposed to have. We got 3 things of jelly open.
Exactly. I think what happens is stuff be back there and you don't see it, you can't find it, and you open another.
Why is it me?
Oh, when I said you, I didn't mean you. I meant, you know.
Well, you usually indicates it's me when you say you.
I know, I'm sorry. My bad. I was able to combine 2 of these.
Okay, well, yeah. We have him. Where he at?
You got to make sure they're secure. See? Let's see. I'm pulling stuff out and combining. Why Mister didn't do this? I mean, you complain about the 2 grapes.
I got it. I said the way this go now.
Just combine them.
I've been doing them all wrong. I don't know why they broke loose.
Why would you complain about the grapes
I didn't.
in that and you're not combining with the game?
Well, you know what?
Y'all, that's why stuff be ending up in the refrigerator like that.
Let me say now.
That very reason.
This is a plug for a man right here. Let me say this.
A plug for a man.
As hard as I have worked and tried to make sure this is together, what do I get? Not a thank you, baby.
Babe,
not a complaint.
I have said thank you.
All I got is
so
you don't put the jelly in the right place. So then you look at this whole thing and say, you know what? Why should I do anything? It doesn't really matter because it's going to be wrong anyway. So, some of you men get a pass.
You finished?
Mm-hmm. You got a 3rd jar, Jelly.
Are you serious? And it's open.
Well, you know.
Okay, so honey, how is that any different than when I be organizing stuff and you have to pull everything out to get it organized and then you complain? Case in point, like, what in the world are you doing? Oh my goodness, you making a mess just to... Remember? So how is that any different than what I just did?
What did you just do?
When you said, I said something about the jelly.
See the difference?
And you not
You just seen the difference right here. I forgot what it was you did. I left it alone and forgot about it. Women, y'all won't forget about it. You just keep bringing it back. So there is the difference. The difference is I forgot about it. Alright, there, I'm finished.
No.
I am finished.
Babe, I think it's some more stuff. It's some more stuff on this counter.
What was Moses?
And see, we were able to. There you go, babe. One jelly. Ain't that something?
Who eats pickles?
Stephen and my
Dude, boy, that dude. That dude.
What don't eat?
Okay.
Well, I guess it's a lot of stuff you don't. Baby, here's the hot sauce. You got to put the hot sauce back in here. And then you have the,
It's just a whole combination of a lot of. Alright, well, you're good. You're good. So one thing about it, I can honestly say, it feels clean. It feels clean.
well, it definitely makes a difference when you take everything out to it, even the shelves.
I'm gonna throw all of these little things away, and although the stuff may be good that's in there, but I'm gonna still throw it away. I'm gonna throw it away.
For real?
Cause it's tartar sauce and other kind of sauces. So I'm gonna just go ahead and dispose of them. Yeah. I'm gonna dispose.
My goodness. For real, baby. You alright?
He's out running, so he'll come back and
And get that.
yeah.
I am so comfy. Listen, make it make sense. Put it near my stuff. Like those sodas that I don't need, if you can move those sodas, they're not open, so they really don't have to be in the refrigerator.
Well, it was cold, and you're not supposed to take a soda that's cold and make it hot again and then cold. You're not supposed to do that.
You don't supposed to do that.
You're not supposed to do that.
Well, why don't you put it up here, excuse me, I'm sorry, babe, where you can see it. Can you turn everything the right way where you can see the front of the label?
What?
Thank you, baby.
Okay, I'm done.
You done?
Now that's an awesome job.
Wait a minute, you have to show the people what it's looking like.
You see, everybody, this is the completed.
Wait a minute, let me.
Okay, so explain your clean refrigerator, baby.
Well, I'm gonna explain this. It's clean, and I'm finished.
Y'all, he did a good job, didn't he? What you wiping up?
Some water that spilled on my clean refrigerator. Alrighty. Now this stuff looks good. What is the 1,000-gallon dressing in? I'm gonna keep my 1,000-gallon dressing. I'm sorry, people. I'm gonna keep.
You change your mind?
I changed my mind.
Well, can you well, see, put it up there at the top where the other stuff is.
Yeah, I changed.
Steven needs to. You need to. Well, hey, he needs to access his elderberry syrup, so that needs to be.
How often do he get his elderberry
Every
syrup?
day.
Every day?
Every day.
Why he take that for?
That's his immune system. Get it, babe. You put it towards the back.
What, the elderberry syrup?
Yes. That's what you don't put way in the back. Make sure that's easy for him to access. There you go.
You can access it right here.
Wherever you want to put it.
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
Oh, you gotta show the label.
Can you turn
You gotta show where they see the label.
Can you turn my creamer this way?
There you go.
Okay.
see
You want to
it.
thank everybody for watching?
Thank you all for taking the
Wait.
time. Thank you all for taking the time to clean with me.
Is that how you sound off? We've been through this, babe.
Bye.
Sound off. I'm going to need you to pay attention this time, okay? So the next time we do this, you'll know what to do, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I already look forward to you joining us again next time.
Tell somebody. Share. Subscribe.
Subscribe? What's
Subscribe. Share. Tell somebody. Help.